Want to set up your strong Wi-Fi extender in less than a minute? Here's the easiest way using the WPS method. Let's get started. First, plug your strong Wi-Fi extender into a power outlet near your Wi-Fi router. Wait until the power LED becomes stable. Now, press the WPS button on your Wi-Fi router for 2 seconds. Within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on the strong Wi-Fi extender for 2 seconds. The WPS or signal LED will start blinking. Once the signal light turns solid, the connection is complete. After the setup is complete, check your available Wi-Fi networks. You'll either see a new Wi-Fi name with _EXT added. Extender network use the same Wi-Fi password as your router. Now unplug the extender and move it to a location halfway between your router and the area with weak Wi-Fi coverage. This placement provides the best signal extension. That's it. Your strong Wi-Fi extender is now connected and ready to boost your wireless network. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.